Hey, what's up, AMP coin holders? So after a huge pump, absolutely when a coin will dumps down, so that's mean my friends to the holder are starting selling. And when a short time investor are starting selling, then remember to the price is very badly dumps down. And this time also my friend is the critical condition. Now you can see after a huge pump they will dumps down, and after you can see every coin will moving in this circulation. But this time, as you can see, my friend is the condition is something very critical because if we check out my friend just in only the last 3 days chart, so in last 3 days the total average is completely negative, you can see here. So therefore I will notify you to AMP coin holder, please you will need to my friends watch this video to we will predicate this coin and we will share opinion, so you will better understand my friends to in upcoming time what's going on and what we will need to do my friends. So my friends, this time you can see here the AMP price, the price is completely increasing, you can see here my friends, don't worry. I will tell you, my friends, if they were fails down from last 3 days, so don't worry, this is temporary fails, and absolutely after a short term, every coin will pumps up. So 0.04 USD dollar is the current price, and the rank is 69. You can see, my friend, and this time you can see the market cap is 2 billion. So you can see 24-hour volume is 16 billion. So million. So my friend, this time as you can see here, change occurring, so it's completely positive. Last 1 hour, in last 1 day, in last 7 days, all very less, very less my friend. There is not a huge pump, but absolutely they will pump up. So this is really good news my friends, to you will never lost, you will get a profit. Absolutely when a holder are starting buying, when a holder are starting investing more and more, so the price is completely increasing, and therefore I will notify you to kindly holders, please hold down and don't starting selling. I am 100% sure my friends, in upcoming time they will give you a double profit. So if we check out my friend the last 7 days chart, so minus 1.47%, they will show here a negative change occur, but don't worry, this is temporary fail, you can see here after that. Otherwise in this, you can see in the start of this week they will pumps up, so therefore they will change occurring positive. Otherwise please after this huge pump they will dumps down, so this does not mean you are starting thing. I think you will need to wait for this in only 4 or 5 days, and after that sell it. I hope my friends they will give you a very good profit. So see you next time, AMP coin holders. Kindly like video, and please if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type urgent and updates videos. I will guide you, update you every day and every time, but you subscribe our YouTube channel.